Dear students, welcome everybody to my class. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher, Raghunathpur Secondary School. How are you? I hope that you all are well at home. Today, I will take an English second paper class for class 6. I will teach you transformation of sentence. So, at first, you should know what a sentence is. Do you know what a sentence is? A sentence is a group of words or even a single word that expresses a clear meaning of an idea. Okay? You can write it. Okay? Already we have known that sentence is a group of words that expresses a clear meaning of an idea. Actually, there are 5 types of sentence according to its structure. These are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. You can write it. Okay. Now we have to know how to transform one kind of sentence into another. But we know that every type of sentence has 2 different forms. These are affirmative form and negative form. Every sentence has 2 forms. One is affirmative and another one is negative. Today I will deal with how we can transform an affirmative sentence into negative one. At first we should know what is an affirmative sentence and what is a negative sentence. These sentences which don't bear no, not, neither or not are called affirmative sentence. Clear? These sentences which do not bear no, not, neither or not are called affirmative sentence. And these sentences which bear no, not, neither or not are called negative sentence. You can write it. Okay? Now, I will teach you how an affirmative sentence can be transformed into negative one. To do this job, we need to follow some rules. Rule number 1. To make a sentence negative, we must write a not after auxiliary verb or be verb. And the keywords of the sentence is turned into antonym. Clear? Again, to make a sentence negative, firstly you will have to write a not after auxiliary verb or be verb, and then you will have to turn the keywords into antonym. As example, I can say man is mortal. In this sentence there is no or not or neither or not, so it is an affirmative sentence. But I can say this sentence in another way: man is not immortal. In this sentence I have brought a not and I have changed the word mortal into immortal, so the meaning is same. So you can write the rule. Second, in some sentences it will be impossible to find out the antonym of the keyword. In that case, we should follow another rule. What is that? If we do not find out the antonym, to make it negative, we should bring the auxiliary verb or be verb before the subject and add a short form of not with it. And at the end of the sentence, we will have to give a question mark. Again, if we cannot find out the antonym of any word, to make it negative, we will have to bring the auxiliary verb or be verb before the subject and a short form of not is added to it. And at the end of the sentence, a question mark should be given. Suppose they are playing football. It is an affirmative sentence because there is no, not, neither, not. So it is an affirmative sentence. If we turn it into negative, the form will be aren't they playing football? Aren't they playing football? Because in this sentence there is no such word that we can turn into an antonym. That is why we have brought the auxiliary verb before the subject and a not is added to it and a question mark is given at the end. You can write the rule. Okay. In some sentences, we do not find any auxiliary. Remember that in case of assertive sentence, if we do not find any auxiliary verb, it is either present indefinite tense or past indefinite tense. Okay. If the sentence is present indefinite tense, we should use do or does as auxiliary verb, and if the sentence is in past indefinite tense, we should use did as auxiliary verb. Again, in case of present indefinite tense, we do not find any auxiliary verb, so we use do or does as auxiliary verb. And in case of past indefinite tense, we also do not find any auxiliary verb, and in that case we use did as auxiliary verb. So to make it negative, at first we use a not after this auxiliary verb, and the keywords are turned into antonym. If it is impossible, we should bring the auxiliary verb with not before the subject, and a question mark is given at the end. You can write this rule. Okay. In some sentences, we find modal auxiliary must. To make this type of sentence negative, we write cannot but instead of must. Clear? Again, if there is must in any affirmative sentence, we should write cannot but instead of this must. Suppose we must obey our parents. If we want to make it negative, we will have to write we cannot but obey our parents. In place of must, we will have to write cannot but. You can write. So,
most children cannot
okay. In some sentence, we will see that the sentence starts with a P. If the sentence starts with every, to make it negative, we will have to write there is no instead of every, and we will have to write a but before the subject. Again, if a sentence starts with every, write there is no instead of every, and write a but before the but. Suppose every mother loves her child. Every mother loves her child. This sentence starts with every. So you will have to write there is no instead of every, and loves is the verb, and you will have to write a but before loves. So the answer will be there is no mother but loves her child. So the rule is instead of every you will have to write there is no, and before the verb you will have to write a but. Look at the rule. You can write it.
Sir, বাংলায় বলেন.
Some sentences include only or alone. To make these types of sentence into negative, we will have to write none but before a personal noun and nothing but before a lifeless object or an abstract idea, and not more than before a numerical noun. Clear? If any sentence bears or includes only or alone, to make it negative you will have to write none but before the personal noun. or nothing but before a lifeless object or an abstract idea, or not more than before a number or numerical number. And only or alone must be vanished from the sentence. Suppose only Allah can help me. কেবলমাত্র আল্লাহ আমাকে সাহায্য করতে পারে, যাই হোক। Only Allah can help me, as Allah is personal noun, you will have to write none but before Allah. So the answer will be none but Allah can help me. If I say I need only money, money is a lifeless object, so I will have to write I need nothing but money. If I say the duck had only one leg, to make it negative I will have to write the duck had not more than one leg, as one is a number. So you can write the rule.
Only Allah can save me. Allah can save me.
If a sentence include always, you will have to write never in place of always, and keyword should be changed into antonym. Look at the rule. If a sentence includes always, you will have to write never in place of always, and the keyword must be changed into antonym. Suppose always speak the truth, write never instead of always, and the antonym of speak the truth is tell a lie. Thank you everybody. No more today. I will take another class in future. Thank you everybody.